Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to clean out your mass airflow sensor with this from AutoZone. Sometimes if it gets dirty, your car will idle crappy or idle high or even sputter as you drive. So I'll show you how to do that. First thing you want to loosen are these straps here and here. Here's the mass airflow sensor. So you just want to unplug it and then loosen. Actually, probably take the air box out first. So, where's my clip? Oh yeah. Just to give you a little more room to pull those hoses off. Might as well unhook this one too. Didn't loosen it enough. So I got it out. As you can see, this screen here is pretty dirty. And then these are the sensors, and they read the air as it goes in and adjusts as needed. So that's actually pretty dirty. Actually, really dirty. So you want to spray those sensors really good. And also spray that screen out. Really be quite liberal with it. And before you put it back together, you want it to be completely dry. Just a little bit more there. All right, then you just let it dry completely before you put it back in. All right, so to put it back together, you want to make sure that you put it in right. So it's always show that an arrow, most do, will show an arrow which way the airflow goes to. So there's the arrow. So, oh, and it's usually the honeycomb side that will be first. So just put this back on. And then this back on. I always kind of like to put everything back together before I tighten it up, just to make sure it all is in right. That's a dirty air filter. I gotta get a new air filter. Then just take the screwdriver, tighten them up. So, well, I got it all back together, but you got to make sure to remember to plug it back in. And that's it. It's simple and easy and relatively cheap. I think this was $8 at AutoZone. So go ahead and try that if you're having bad idle or sputtering, and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and like and subscribe.